Hello, do you want to set your Efootball 2026 like a pro? In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to set your Efootball 2026 like a pro. It is a Samsung Tech session. If this is your first time facing the channel, please do it to subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. First, all you need to do is open your Efootball and then log in. Once you are done logging into your Efootball, next thing you need to do on your screen here, you are just going to be clicking on the extras. As you can see the extras here, you are clicking on game setting. On your game setting here, first we are going to be dealing with the graphics. Sometimes you find out when you are playing your game is lagging, and that is not good. When you're playing some games and you find out that the game is slow, in this place I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop that problem. First, all you need to do here is the first one called playing graphics. Here you can set it to standard, but before setting that to standard, you need to tap on the high. Continue tapping on the high and then click on standard and leave it on standard. But if your device is very high, you have a very good device, you can leave it on high graphics. But if your device is very low, you can leave it on standard or lowest, but I recommend standard. The next on the line here is stadium graphics. Here is the stadium graphics. This one here, you need to also put it on standard, or you can still put it on high depending on your device. But before you put it on standard, you also need to tap on the high, tap on it, then tap on standard. I don't recommend the lowest. The third on the line here is frame rate. You need to set this on 60 fps, then click on done. Then we are going next to the play settings. Here you are going to be setting how you want your game to be played. The first one on the line is smart assist. Smart assist, you in this place you are going to be turning this on for AI to help you do the passing and others. Maybe you want to pass a ball and AI recommend for it to be true pass. You're going to be passing it as true pass. If you don't like it, maybe you're going to try it when it's on and play a game, and if you don't like it, you can actually turn it off, and if you like it, you can leave it on. So here I'm going to be leaving my on. The next is control type. Here you are going to be leaving it on visual pad, because you are going to be leaving on visual pad. The third here is direction stick. Direction fix, you're going and stick, you're going to be leaving it on fix. If you want fixed is the one that the control cursor is one place, like is not moving around, but move is the one that move along with your hand. The third one here is off, is invisible. You're not going to be seeing the control, so I'm going to be leaving mine on fixed. Here you are going to be leaving yours on assist, and here is the movement input distance. You're going to be leaving it on minor. Yes, leave it on minor. And defensive control type, you're going to be leaving it on standard, because most players are using standard defensive control, so you're going to be leaving it on standard. And the next here is okay. So that's it for settings. The settings you need for a pro. If you want to be a pro on Efootball, this is the settings that you need for now. We have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we release more helpful videos like this on the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.